Soldering on a submarine is the perfect opportunity to point out a common trap project managers fall into and how to avoid it. The mistake is not including maintenance costs and time in your project plan for the assembly and testing period. I know what you're thinking. How can there be maintenance costs on something you haven't even built yet? This is Bellavia, our submarine. And here is the emergency ballast blow valve. She hasn't even been in the water, yet this area has gotten a tremendous amount of use. After dozens of tests, well, here you have it, a broken connector that needs replacing. Pre-operation testing, even during the initial assembly, can be the hardest thing your project will ever go through. Yet, most project managers don't account for maintenance until after a project is complete. Don't get caught in that trap. Build maintenance costs into your budget and maintenance time into your schedule during the development and assembly phases of your project. It will help your project be on budget and on time and make you a success. This is JP. Thank you for watching. JP Aerospace, America's other space program.